Borderline personality disorder, the surprising link between early life adversity and mental health. Today, we're diving into some fascinating new research that takes a unique perspective on borderline personality disorder, or BPD. BPD is often characterized by intense emotional reactions, impulsivity, and unstable relationships. The causes are complex and can include genetics, brain structure, and environmental factors. However, a new study suggests a novel approach to understanding this disorder. A large-scale study revealed a significant link between early life adversity and a later diagnosis of BPD. The concept of early life adversity encompasses a range of difficult experiences in one's formative years, such as abuse, neglect, or growing up in a volatile environment. What's interesting is the evolutionary perspective taken by this study. It suggests that those who have faced such adversity may develop BPD as an adaptive strategy. This doesn't mean that BPD is beneficial in the long run, but rather that the behavioral patterns associated with the disorder might facilitate certain immediate benefits in response to hardship. This study specifically highlights a trade-off that might occur, where immediate reproductive goals are prioritized over long-term health and well-being. Essentially, when an individual faces significant adversity early in life, the drive to reproduce and pass on their genes might be prioritized over their health. Think about it like this. When faced with adversity, survival mode kicks in, leading to a focus on immediate reproductive goals, potentially increasing the chance of their genes being passed on. However, this strategy isn't without its costs. It's important to remember that this approach can lead to poorer health outcomes and decreased overall well-being. This novel perspective opens up a whole new way of understanding and approaching BPD. It's important to stress that further research is required, particularly longitudinal studies, to solidify these findings. This research contributes to our growing understanding of BPD and underscores the complexity of this disorder. It offers new avenues for treatment and management, emphasizing the importance of addressing underlying adversities and their long-term effects. As we continue to learn more about BPD, the hope is to develop increasingly effective interventions and treatments to support individuals living with this disorder. Remember to like and subscribe for more neuroscience news updates.